Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this channel, I normally gives content about solar and electrical renewable energy. And today's video, we are diving into the world of electrical protection and focusing on the surge protection devices, which is called the SPD. This is one of the devices which I have got here. I think I should just bring it closer to you just to see how it is. I think you are just seeing it in a good view. That's the SPD which I'm talking about. This one is a surge protection device for a 3-phase system. It's a 4-pole. Right. What happens now is, if you want to safeguard your electrical equipment from unexpected surges, you have to use this guy. This is a very important gadget to use on an electrical circuit. The work of this SBT, normally how it works, it detects the increase in the voltage and instantly redirects the excess energy away from the devices, sending it to the ground. It sends all the excess energy to the ground, protecting your circuit, protecting your equipment, and even protecting from causing people to be injured. Because you know that if there is an excess of energy in an electrical system, sometimes it causes fires and sometimes it can explode, leading to people's injury and other things which are very bad. In that scenario, it will be not good not to leave out this guy. So in this process of sending away all the excess energy to the ground, this process happens in a fraction of a second and providing immediate protection to your system. So this gadget, it works in a mighty way, so much that in a fraction of a second, the whole system will be protected by sending away all the excess power to the ground. So it's a very good gadget. The installation of this SPD varies depending on the types of the application, and you should consider the size and voltage rating, response time, and energy absorption capacity. It's also important to select the SPD that is suitable for your specific application, whether it is for the whole house protection or safeguarding individuals' devices. So it's very crucial when selecting the sizes of this SPD. As you can see from this SPD, from my far left side, this one, that's the power supply of live 1, live 2, live 3, and this one is the neutral. And this one is where we're gonna put our earth, so that will ground that earth. So power comes through this area, this top area, and all the excess power will be drained by the earth out, by the earth to the ground. That's how it works. In our next video, I'm gonna illustrate and to show you how this device is wired. It's not that too complicated to wire this SPD. These SPDs, there's got a lot types of them, and as I said, this one is an AC. There are also DC SPDs which are suitable for solar installation, and the functions are just the same. In other words, even the lightning, if it strikes your circuit, this guy is there to protect it. It will gonna drain all of the power, the excess power, to the ground. So when lightning strikes your electrical circuit, that's where sometimes you see the other devices can be seen bent, and you have to replace them. And if you are having this guy, those activities, sometimes you won't have to have your gadgets being damaged, because this guy will be there to protect all those electrical devices in your electrical system. So it's very crucial to protect your electrical circuit. Don't leave this device whenever you are doing your installation. And this device is always connected in parallel with your electrical circuit. And you can see this one, it's a 3-phase. We have got also single phases. They normally have 2 poles only. They have the live and the neutral, and then the earth at the bottom. So you better check for this guy and make sure you do your installation very, 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 very correct, to save the lives of the people and also to protect your electrical circuit. Okay guys, thank you very much. That's it for today's video on surge protection devices. We hope you find this information helpful, and you are now equipped to protect your valuable electronics and electrical surges. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tech tips in electrical protection insights. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.